Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this look. It's super easy. You guys will be surprised how easy it is to get this eye look. I only used 2 eyeshadows to create this eye makeup. Whenever I'm using pink eyeshadows, I want my eye looks to be more wearable, more toned down. I know that so many of you guys really like the more toned down looks. Also the shimmers. Guys, these shimmers are so pretty. They're so affordable and they're also really easy to apply. Also, I'm wearing falsies today and I really quickly want to mention that if you don't want to wear falsies, just don't. Just because I'm wearing them doesn't mean that you should wear them too. I feel like the lashes really make this look more glam, more intense, but if you just skip them and coat your lashes with mascara, this can be a very easy, like everyday makeup look. I just really like how falsies make my eyes look, but it's not necessary to wear them if you want to recreate this look. So without losing any time, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Let's go! Okay guys, so I will start off by priming my eyes. I'll use this concealer by Too Faced. I'm using a very light shade of concealer because I'll also use it to highlight my brow bone. So the way that I'm gonna prime my eyes today will be a little bit different. Nothing really complicated though. So I'm just gonna take some of that concealer on the back of my hand, like this, and with a flat brush I'll go ahead and start applying it on my brow bone and then slowly blending it down towards my eyelid area. I don't want to bring a lot of it on my eyelids area, you'll see why in a while, but yeah, that's basically how I'm gonna prime my eyes today. It's 2-in-1, highlighting my brow bone and also priming my eyes. Oh, I know it looks crazy right now, but highlighting my brow bone will make my eyebrows look more lifted. Also, using a lighter base will make that pink eyeshadow to really pop and come out more vibrant. So talking about that pink eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna pick my favorite shade from this palette. Hold on, let me just pick a nice fluffy brush for this. All of my brushes are dirty. They're all loaded with all sorts of different colors. See, I can't use this brush, it has so much pink eyeshadow in it. What am I gonna do now? Hey, this one here is clean. This is the Huda Beauty Build and Blend brush, and I'm gonna take some of this gorgeous pink shade here. It's called Off Balance. I'm just placing that in my crease. I'm patting it on my skin first. Oh, look how pretty it is. There's also one more eyeshadow that I really like that looks really similar to this one. It's by Makeup Geek. It's called Cupcake. It's really gorgeous too. I'm gonna switch to the clean side of this brush. It's just a bigger, fluffier blending brush, and I will go ahead and diffuse all the edges. Adding a little bit more. And blending out again. And it just adds a very soft definition to your crease. It's very wearable kind of pink shade. You guys will be surprised how easy this look is to achieve. It's only like, I don't know, 4 steps. You'll be like, I thought it required like 53 different products in 5 hours, but no, I promise. You guys know that I like the easy looks. As much as I like makeup, sometimes I prefer looks that are easy, simple, quick. So the next thing that I'll use will be this ColourPop Jelly Much shadow in the shade Buttercup. Now this is so beautiful. So this product is jelly. It's very different. The consistency is very unique. That's the reason I didn't want to have a lot of products on my eyelid area, because if I layer concealer and then powder and then eyeshadow and then this on top, it will crack for sure. Products like these look the best if they're applied just on bare skin. That goes for liquid, cream eyeshadows, jelly eyeshadows. I'm gonna take some of it on my finger, then I'm gonna just press it on the back of my hand to take out some of the excess, and now this is ready to go on my eyelid. Next up, I'll go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. I like how shimmery that jelly eyeshadow is. You can also wear it on its own on your eyelid without anything else, and it would look so pretty. This look would be also super suitable for a prom or, I don't know, any special occasion where you're wearing a pink outfit or something. I know that right now we're all staying at home, but hopefully once everything is back to normal, you can wear this look for your special occasions. I just curled my lashes, I'm coating them with some mascara, and I'll also go ahead and add a pair of falsies. For my lashes today, I'm wearing a pair by Velour Lashes, which is called Here to Slay. Now, I already have my base on, so I'm moving straight to the blush. I'm gonna use this one here by Benefit. It's their Dandelion blush. It's a really nice pink shade. By the way, if you don't have pink eyeshadow like the one that I used in my crease, you can also use your blush. So just go ahead and apply this on my face. For my contour today, I'll use this one here. It's by Too Faced. This is their Cocoa Contour Palette. And I will apply it with the Sigma F05. I'm also applying my contour on the top of my forehead here, and I'm really blending it with my hairline. And of course, some highlighter right here on the highest points of my cheeks. Also a little bit on my nose. Now the next step is setting spray, so I'm spraying my face with the O from Makeup Fixer, and then while it's still wet, I'll go over it with my sponge. That way I'm melting all of those powdery products into my skin, and by doing that, my makeup actually looks more natural. I'll take some of this eyeshadow here, and I'll probably mix it with this one. I'll smudge those colors under my lower lashes, like this, keeping it in the outer half of my lower lash line. Maybe a little bit more. I think I need something a little bit darker. Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I used this one for my contour, and I will take a little bit of this contouring shade and this one. And I'm using the other end of that brush to kinda diffuse everything. Tight lining my waterline, and a little bit mascara on my lower lashes. I like wiping off the wand so I get rid of most of the product before I coat my lower lashes. That way I'm coating them with the tiniest amount of product, which is exactly what I want. Because my lower lashes are way longer than my upper lashes. That's so unfair, but if I use a lot of mascara, it can start smudging under my eyes. It can be a total mess, just trust me on that. That's why I like using the tiniest amount. And also sometimes when I'm using a lot of mascara on my lower lashes, that can make me look tired, and I don't like the effect of having my lower lashes coated with a ton of mascara, so that's why I'm trying to use as little as possible. Now, we're moving on to the lips. If only I could find my sharpener. I don't remember where I got this sharpener from, but I love that it's that like super bright electric green color, because I want to be able to find it like really easily. You can't imagine how many sharpeners I've lost. I don't know where they go, they just disappear somewhere. This one, I've had it for over 2 months, haven't lost it yet, so I think that the plan is working. I lined my lips with this Nabla lip pencil in the shade, what's the shade? Rosy Magnolia. And this is a liquid lipstick by Sigma. I'm gonna add it on top of that lip pencil. They're pretty much the same color. I love this shade so much. Alrighty guys, and this is our final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And you can also subscribe to my second channel. I'm posting non-makeup related videos on there. You can go check them out. They're a lot of fun. I recently started posting on there more frequently, so I'm gonna really appreciate it if you guys subscribe for my second channel as well. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. I love this lip color so much. It's so pretty. The shimmers on my eyelids are just giving me life. They're so pretty. They're so stunning. I wish it was possible to wake up with this makeup look on. I would be so happy if that was an option. I like wearing pink eyeshadows, but when I'm wearing pink eyeshadows, I like the pink to be not super vibrant. I like it more toned down, just like I did it today, just like this color. That's how I like it. If you decide to get this jelly eyeshadow by ColourPop, the consistency is so different. It's great because it lasts all day long, but my nose is itchy. But the fact that it's not powder and it's not cream, it's jelly. That's really weird, but it's so good. Like, this product is amazing. Just make sure that you don't leave it open like that, because it can get really dry. Make sure that you always close it like really tight, like this. So guys, if you want to check out some more of my other makeup videos, you can click on here. YouTube will suggest some of my other videos to you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.